What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. You see this, guys? Look, sunshine. Yeah, man. You can't even see me. Yes, guys. Morning. You cannot even see me. Look at the sunshine. Look at the sunshine. My little sunshine. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? I open it. All right, guys. Me out this morning. I take a walk this morning in the park. You know, just relax the mind, refresh the mind. You know, so just want to walk and talk with each and every one of you about social media, the bullying on social media, and how far it have gone on social media, the bullying and all these kind of things that is taking place on social media. Too much, guys. It's too much now. Yeah, man, it's too much now happen on social media to our Jamaicans, both overseas and in Jamaica, because of what? Bad mind, dirty mind, stupidity. What else? What other word to use? I don't even know what other word to use, but guys, it gone too far. It gone too far. Since our Jamaicans get very active on social media, we lose a lot of our brothers and sisters on social media because of bullying, internet badness, and all those kind of things. Right now, you cannot talk to nobody. You cannot do anything. People will analyze you. People will try to take your 3 point. People will try to bring you down. People will try to tear you down just because of what? Now, guys, I have seen where men try to bring down women to their lowest. I have saw and seen where women try to bring down other women to their lowest point. And guys, I don't know why, and I don't understand why. But right now is the time that we need to sit down and at least say to ourselves, why is this happening? I also think we should use Jeffrey situation as an example. I also think we should use Alicia Kim situation as an example. And I also think we should use Collar Smith as another example. Morning again, sir. We should do that. And the reason why I think we should do that, guys, is sit down and look. Jeffrey is doing his thing. Jeffrey is making his mark on the social media network, his way. An entertainer can sing and do whatever they want without anybody say fight them or anything. But then you have, whenever time there is a certain topic that I don't get into, and I'm going to talk about it. You have people on social media who will be making content telling you about your mother, telling you about your wife, telling you about your woman, and all these kind of things. Now, guys, let me say this. When you're going to cross that threshold by telling an individual about their mother, wife, woman, and kids, that's a different area you're going into. You won't get me tell nobody about their mother, wife, or kids. And to be honest with you, I know a lot about many people, family, kids, mother, relationship. You won't hear me say those things because they said, do to Caesar as you want Caesar to do to you. But guys, it's getting really old. I have talked to a lady the other day, and she was telling me about what happened to her in her relationship. She was saying to me that she dated one man, and this man did not even say to her that I have problems with the ding dong. The ding dong cannot, the bell can't ring. the, the, the bell tongue drop out, it can't ring. So she did not know that the ding dong cannot ring. But this particular man would say to her, no sex before marriage. Meanwhile, this particular man is saying no sex before marriage. She listened and followed exactly what he says, only to know that when it reached marriage day and everything, the ding dong can't, bell can't ring. But guys, behind that, there's a lot more behind that, because she was being abused, and she was being not physical abuse, mentally abused. She was undergoing in the relationship. The man at one point, the man was driving and the man was doing some things in the car. The lady was fear for her life and believed this man is going to wreck this vehicle. Because of what? Because the man, ding dong, cannot stand up. Now the man start to blame the woman. The man start to blame the woman for his own problem. Now, if your wiener can't stand up, how are you going to blame the woman for your wiener not standing up problem when you already knew that it cannot stand up? You are a man that know your body. And if you don't know that your thing can't stand up, then you have a major problem. You know, you have a major problem. I put out a story the other day, and this is the part 2 of that story and other things. Guys, when I tell you about this lady was tricked, lied to by a pastor, it didn't really stop there. It went on. The lady said that the pastor, which is now her husband, started to abuse her mentally, not physically, but the pastor now started to abuse her in all the ways that he can. Most of all, one thing the pastor started to do is the pastor started to use that green card, because she was in the country and she overstayed. So now they're looking about papers for she and her daughter. The man started to use the paperwork over her head, start to pressure her, start to do all different manner of evil to her. And one of the worst thing about it is she said that while he was doing all these things, he was dressing up after he cursed her out. Hold on a little bit, guys. This lady said after this pastor, which is her husband, curse her out, tell her all kind of things, do all manner of evil to her, he went to church, dressed up, put his clothes on, went to the church and preach, went to the church and have meetings and talk to people about their problems. Are you listening to what I'm saying here? Are you listening to what I'm putting down? He goes to the church to do all these things while his wife that he just mentally abused is at home. So he tried everything to make she don't get her green card. However, she have the condition where they give you the extension. When she have that extension, what she did not make him know anything. And that's the reason why I'm saying to people out there, some things you don't put it on social media, some things you don't make everybody know. Your business. She did not make him know what is really going on. So he didn't know that she was still trying to get these things together. So he kept disrespecting her, treating her bad, do everything to her mentally, not physically, mentally, to her that would bring her down. But she kept going. She kept going until one day she decided to talk to somebody. And when she talked to somebody, that person says, "What? You can go get the citizenship." And she applied. Guys, she applied for her citizenship. And I'm telling you that today, she is a United States citizen. Yeah, she did her homework. She make herself strong. She make herself knowing what she's doing. So today's date, she's a United States citizen. And right now, I cannot say too much about. I have to cross the street, guys, so I have to be looking. I cannot say too much, because people do watch and people will sit down and start thinking. But guys, this is what many man and woman is going through with the person they married, the person who tell them that I will love you forever, the person who tell them that I care when they didn't, when they don't, when they never. All they want is just to bring trauma to your brain. They want to just bring trauma to your life. My viewers and subscribers, sometimes in life that we live, we have to at least acknowledge to ourselves that people are evil. People will do evil things. Yeah, people will do evil things. So we always have to sit down and ask ourselves, when will it end? Guys, I'm out on the street. I'm just moving around and I'm right on this roadside. Yeah, I'm right on the roadside and the sun has shine bright. Yeah, man, the sun has shine bright like a diamond. Yes, guys, so that's what is happening. That's what I'm going this morning here. So, me just a way to go across the street, but Lord Jesus. The traffic right now at time, I work time now, so traffic heavy. I think we make the wrong move. Yes, guys, so this is things that we have to sit down and look at, things that we have to think about, things that we have to work on and realize to ourselves that we are human beings and at any time people can change. people can change and people will change faster. You may believe that people won't change fast, but they'll change fast and quick. Yeah, people will change on you fast. Real fast people will change on you. And when them change on you, just remember that change won't come back. So guys, you always have to remember that people is people. Never go in a relationship blind. Always goes in a relationship and realize that only you can be safe with you. You don't know what another person may be thinking. You don't know what another person may be doing within themselves or not. So what you have to do is always think of, always look for that unexpected situation. Because this lady said she never knew that this man would do these things to her. The reason is, he's in his church, he's a preacher, he's a person who is a mentor, he have meetings, he talk to people about relationship. So she never knew that this man would even think about any of these kind of things. So if you look at it every day and you say to yourself, oh, he's going to church, oh, he's the best person. We all are human beings. We all have issues. We all will come up with issues. Just like this man's situation, he have issues and he never said to this lady, I have problems. But after everything, he start blaming the lady for his dysfunction. The lady says when he start to blame her for his problem, she says to him, what? How can I be the one who caused the problem? When as a Jamaican man, if you don't know that you need to mix drinks, mix juices, eat properly to try to help the blood that is going to your ding dong, you have problems. You really have problems. Because as a Jamaican, I don't know if you guys see me mixing them drinks and them juice. Drinking and beetroot and all these kind of things. That's what I like to do. Guys, as you see, I go for a walk this morning because while I make the video, I was talking to you and making a video about this lady who was in that relationship and this gentleman did not explain to her about not able to get an erection. Now this gentleman start to blame this lady for his dysfunctional, malfunctional situation. But guys, some of the things that we as men have to do for ourselves is take care of ourselves. Meaning, we should make juice, we should condition ourselves to able to stand attention or to stand up to the situation. Now guys, in this bottle is where my beetroot, ginger, carrot, celery, and apple, green apple. No sugar, no preservative, nothing at all added. So what I do is, this is almost finished. So every morning, every morning I drink a glass of this. Every morning. And it's not like me I drink it for any specific reason, but most of all, I'm drinking it to help my whole entirely body. So guys, stop drinking the soda, stop drinking the alcohol, and drink one of these. Yeah? beetroot, ginger, along with carrot, apple, and celery. Drink that 1 glass a day. It will help your body function better. Remember, your man would need a lot of blood for it to get erection, and not to be dysfunctional. So then when you do that, your woman, your lady, your wife will feel comfortable about your situation. And guys, be honest to your lady. Be honest in your relationship. Be honest where you're going in your relationship. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants to be in a relationship that there is a dysfunctional ship in. Guys, did I just say dysfunctional ship? Nobody wants to be in a dysfunctional ship relationship where the relationship not functioning and the you know what is dysfunctional. Nobody wants to be in a relationship like that, because when the volcano ready to erupt and the dysfunctional ship not working, that is called problematic. So make we go and drink. Viewers and subscribers, I tell you the truth. I love you. No dysfunctional ship around here. I am here just to advise you guys on, these kind of things that I think we all need to talk about daily. It is not right for you to lie to your partner about your erectile dysfunction. It is not right for you to lie to your partner about you not liking the bedroom. It is not right for you to tell lies and those things, because it's only going to cause problem for your relationship. Your relationship will be now not relationship anymore. It will now call dysfunctional ship. So guys, I want us to remember that word, dysfunctional ship. So in your relationship, if there is dysfunctional ship, and dysfunctional ship is not about the erection ship. No, erectional ship. If your erectional ship not working, then the relationship is going to be dysfunctional ship. We don't want to have a dysfunctional relationship, because a relationship is between two persons. One man, one woman. That's the relationship me know about. So I'm not going to talk about other people's preference. That's their business, not mine. So guys, right now, man as woman, we have to respect the other person too, like how we respect ourselves. So guys, again, I will see you in our next video. And remember, guys, make a jug. Each time you go in and you have a water bottle, just make a whole jug of beetroot, ginger, celery, green apple, carrot juice, and just strain it, put it in the bottle, and have it in the fridge, where every morning or every evening you take it out and drink a glass. 1 glass a day will go a long way. Just remember that 1 glass a day will go a long way. It is very nice to have a glass a day. It will help your dysfunctional ship. Yes, it will help your dysfunctional ship too. It will. It's good for your body. So get some drinks, get some juice, drink some juice. So that means you don't have that situationship and it don't turn out to dysfunctional ship in your relationship. So me I say, chat about. Guys, until next video, until next time, you don't know. No dysfunctional ship is only relationship and advice ship around here. Now say a word, peace and love. I'm out of here. Until the next time, I see you. Chat about. I would